Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super helpful tutorial for you. If you've forgotten your TradingView password or can't get into your account, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to reset your password step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do if you ever get locked out, so you can get back to analyzing those charts or tracking your portfolio with zero stress. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the TradingView website. Open up your browser and type in TradingView.com, then just wait for the homepage to load up. Now what you're looking for is the sign-in icon, which you'll find right at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This might sound basic, but sometimes it's easy to overlook where to start, especially if you're already feeling a little stressed about being locked out of your account. Once you've clicked sign in, you'll see the email and password boxes pop up. This is where you'd normally enter your details to log in. Now, quick but super important note here. Forgetting your password and using this reset process only works if you originally signed up to TradingView directly with your email and password. If you created your account using Google, Facebook, or another social login, you'll need to go through the password recovery process for that specific provider instead. So if you click Forgot Password and it doesn't seem to work, just double-check how you originally signed up. It can save you a lot of head scratching. Now back to those login boxes. Just below the boxes where you'd put your email and password, you'll notice an option that either says I forgot password or can't sign in. Don't rush here, take a moment and find that link. Sometimes the wording can be a little different depending on updates to the website, but it's always somewhere near those login fields. Give that a click. After you've clicked the forgot password link, you'll see a prompt asking for your email address. This needs to be the same email you used when you first signed up for your TradingView account, so double check for spelling mistakes or typos. It can be easy to mix up a letter or number by accident. After entering your email, you'll usually see a CAPTCHA puzzle pop up. These are those simple checks to make sure you're not a robot. Just follow the instructions, whether it's picking out the pictures or typing in some letters and numbers. Sometimes these CAPTCHAs can take a second, so don't worry if it takes a few tries. Once you've filled in both your email and completed the CAPTCHA, go ahead and submit the form. What happens now is TradingView will email you a special link. It might take a minute or two to arrive, so don't panic if you don't see it right away, and be sure to check your spam or promotions folders just in case it lands there by mistake. When you get the email, just follow the steps inside to reset your password. It's usually a straightforward process. Click the link, choose a new password, and you'll be all set. And that's all there is to it. Resetting your password on TradingView is really pretty simple once you know where to look and which steps to take. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another one of my tutorials. If you hit any snags along the way or you've got questions, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.